Go.
Okay. So, hello everyone, welcome to the newest episode. Hello everyone, welcome to the newest episode of podcast ng
Halata.
Ulit.
Akala ko lang,
Wait lang.
Podcast ng mga...
Ako magsasabi Wait lang.
Stop na.
Okay, nasan mo pa? Ayaw mag-para. Seryoso na. Walang iingay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello everyone, welcome to our special episode of podcast ng
Halata.
I'm your host, Mark Leo Bermudez, and today I am joined by an awesome people.
Paolo Andro Capili.
Balance Bagobre.
Jerry Hangati. Tristan Bonsol in the house.
So everyone's okay, are you okay guys?
Yes, I'm okay.
Guys?
Yeah, we're
Yes,
good.
very good. I'm fine.
Very good. Okay, so how's life recently?
My life has been good recently. I go to school. I go from home. Good.
Okay, and Mr. Bagobe?
Life's been tough, but I'm considering the struggles pure joy because I know that I will go after all these struggles.
Okay, Mr. Angati.
Life's been draining but kinakaya naman.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Mr. Batsol?
Yes, my life is good and great because this past few weeks, our business is really tough and beyond.
Yeah, I hope your business is doing well. So today we're gonna talk about fake news. So have you guys experienced fake news, or have you get mislead information somewhere in your life?
Yes.
Oh, what's your experience about it?
Yes, I experienced fake news on Facebook. Why?
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 Because I saw that Facebook is this daw is fake na.
Oh,
So sino nga ba yung Bisken? Bisken is the favorite couple on pass ng mga bata at mga ganda, especially me and my family.
oh, I think I
Going
heard
back to
the
topic.
news. Do you know the
topic?
teledrama On the Wings of Love?
Yes.
Yeah, it's one of the iconic drama they have. I watched it before PBB. You know PBB? It's one of the best show. Okay. So how did you get misled by that information?
Going back to the topic. I saw that Facebook na Bisken daw is fake na and mga long time ago, after ng post Ken or Bisken I think interview on news
Oh.
because Liza is may paparting sa movie. So based dun sa interview ni Liza, she said na okay pa naman daw sila ni Ken or ni Ken. So
Oh, I think the one you're talking about is that they broke up as a partner in the series, but they didn't break up the relationship. So it's kind of misleading and kind of false. Yeah. So Mr. Angati, do you have any experience with that?
Yeah, I have experienced fake news once when I was a kid. My favorite show was Mr. Bean, and my uncle said that Mr. Bean or the actor Ron Atkinson died, or the reason for his death was suicide, and as a fan, as a child that was a fan of Mr. Bean, it felt that was my favorite. Yeah.
I know what you're talking about. My mom used to tell me that he died, but I saw him, I think, in 2008 Olympics. He played piano, and he even won, I think it was the Grammys? No, it's not Grammys. Somewhere like Best Actor of the Year. Okay, Mr. Bagobe, do you have any?
Yeah, I've experienced, I have received fake news way back 2012. There was a news that they said that it would be the end of the world that year because merong calendar na sinusunod sila, and they spread misinformation that led to pagkatalenta ng mga tao, and the people reacted out of emotions. Then ayun, kumalat sa buong mundo na mag-end of the world. So maraming tao na hindi alam yung gagawin, and nadamay ako dun, and I was one of them na nataranta rin and di alam yung gagawin that time. And yeah, that's all.
Yeah. So that's why we have to verify information. It would not cause commotion and it would panic like everyone. So, Mr. Kapil, do you have anything for us?
It's always coming up on my feed. Yung mga actress na buntis na. Ay, hindi naman.
So common. So, yeah.
I always see that,
Yeah.
but I see them in news and it's not true. Okay? Kaya misleading information.
Okay. So for my experience, this one is true. It's true. My lola said that the taho vendor that sells at 6 p.m. Do you know taho sells at 6 p.m.? What? What the heck? So yeah, 6 p.m. taho. Oh my God, it's like selling balot at the morning, you know. But, yeah, the taho vendor died because my lola said he's a drug addict. Then one day he just showed up selling taho at 6 p.m. It's like it was the most chaotic thing I ever heard. My cousin said that, oh, the taho vendor is alive, or is he a ghost? That's one of the most freakiest thing I've ever heard. Like it really freaked me out as a kid, and I hope he's alive still. Okay. So going back on the topic, so how did you guys resolve the information that you guys heard, and how can you give advice to our viewers? Yeah, our viewers, to know the information if it's right or wrong. Okay, Mr. Bonsal.
Others ko lang sana is think before you click and don't think before you click. Don't spread the news and i-post mo lang siya if true or
Yeah, okay. So I think Mr. Bonsal was saying that we should not share information that is verified by true persons, and we should share more information that is so verified and trusted websites. Okay, Mr. Angati, do you have anything?
For me, we should research news first if it's true, and yeah, there are many websites that is telling some of it is true, and yeah, yun.
Yeah.
Research
So,
natin kung totoo ba yung news na yun o hindi.
yeah. So we have to listen to the mainstream, especially like the GMA news. Rappler is one of the best, and they're not biased at all. So okay. So we have Mr. Bagove. Do you have any tips for us?
For me, I will advise that we have to research thoroughly, so that will be aware on what is really happening on the issue or the topic that we have received. And yeah, dapat think before you click and do not spread misinformation, especially when the topic is controversial, and we have to research first.
Okay, so because you're right about that, and we have Mr. Kapili. Don't forget about him.
Here.
Oh, yeah. It's like he's feeling out because he's here with me. Okay. What do you feel about it?
Bigat na yan.
Ang tip ko lang is check if the person who posted it is a real person and it's not a dump account. You know.
Yeah, it's right. So that's it for our podcast, and I hope you guys learned something from us. And we will be right back. We have some few guests, and thank you for listening to us. Bye.
Kami ang mga
Alala!
Ay, di ko lumpas ito, Mike.